In this video, you will learn how to navigate and customize the Statistic View in the Otii application to analyze your measurements metrics as needed. When you have started an Otii project and captured at least one recording, you can begin analyzing the measured data. In this example, I have 3 different recordings to guide you through the Statistic View. The Statistic View offers a structured way to review measurements and can be fully collapsed to help you focus on the graph. To toggle the view, just click the chevron icon. At the top right side of the panel, you will find 3 analysis modes. A, which stands for Active Statistic, S, Selection Statistics, and R, Recording Statistics. When reviewing each one individually, you will notice that the active statistic windows displays metrics for either the entire project and the active selected recording, or for an active selection along with the active recording, which can be easily switched. To switch among the options, simply click on the selection or recording listed below the different statistic view windows. On the other hand, the Selection Statistics windows displays metric for comparing all selections in an active recording. Also includes overall project metrics and those specifics to the currently visualized time segment on the screen, making it ideal for validating different operating modes such as boot up, transmission, deep sleep, all in a single view. To switch between recording, as we did previously, click on the desired recording from the list. The third and final option, Recording Statistics, displays metrics for all recordings in one place. This metrics displays either the entire project or a specific active selection. To change the active selection, simply switch to the desired one, just as you would in other analysis mode. The Statistic View panel is fully customizable, allowing you to display only the metrics you need for each channel and to set up your preferred units for energy and charge. To do this, go to the Settings option in the main menu. Within the Statistics section, you can set your preferred units for energy, watt hours or joules, and charge, ampere hours or coulombs. Determine the number of significant figures to display and choose which metrics to display per channel within the selections and recording statistic windows. After choosing your preferred option, changes are applied instantly. Just need to close the menu and you will be ready to analyze the metrics recorded. To start using it, just update Otii to its latest version.